so. Them fellas right there got on them short sleeves. They tough. Them some tough boys right there, rocking around short sleeve while it's snowing. Tough. I am tough. You ain't tough, you stupid. You got it. You know the saying, gonna be stupid, you gotta be tough, and they real tough. Ha ha! What do you think about that? We wasn't getting no snow at the house, so we decided to drive south so we could see a little snow. I'm in here with the boys, two of the boys, Jaden and Jackson, and we decided to drive south. Funny thing is, we got out of driveway, got about half a mile down the road, and there started being flurries. Then we got to the boy store, which is 4 miles from our house, and it was snowing pretty decent. But we done pulled out, and we're heading south. Jaden, you think we're gonna see some snow? Maybe. We're gonna drive as far south as we can until we see it. Until they won't let us go no more. You think we'll hit the beach? You don't think
With a spirit of adventure, a love for the outdoors, and a touch of crazy, Dad and the boys packed up their gear and headed south to witness the historic winter storm firsthand. The journey was more than just a trip. It was a chance to bond, explore the unexpected beauty of a snow-blanketed southern landscape, and create memories that would last a lifetime. Facing the elements together, they embraced the challenges and turned the cold into an unforgettable experience of camaraderie, resilience, and discovery.
All right, y'all, we just got on the 65 south coming out of Casada, and as to be expected, there's a little snow on the ground. We found a little snow, but there are police officers out, and the drive is slow. I guess everybody's concerned about ice on the bridge. Ice on the bridges, which is probably going to be a big deal come tonight and tomorrow. We got an ambulance over here, so there's one wreck down. All right, y'all, we're going to get from out behind Mr. Powell. So we're almost to Montgomery and finally seeing some signs of snow. And we're sliding. We just slid a little bit. Boys are freaking out. We are going to head 331 south and see how far we can get. Worst case scenario, we may be camping in the truck tonight. I heard there's some good hunting land down here.
Looks like there was a deer over there.
You see one?
I did earlier. Don't know why it'd be out in the snow.
There's one. It's a white. Oh, I was gonna say that's a white deer. Did y'all see him?
No.
Right there. He's a buckaroo.
I don't see him. Oh, I see him.
Come on, let's get out and see how big his buckaroo is.
Oh, I see him.
Don't touch him.
Why would I touch him?
1, 2. That fella's been there a while. Poor deer. Little buckaroo. Didn't make it. All right, y'all, let's get out here before the buzzards come get him. love it?
Yeah.
You want to move to Alaska?
No.
So you love it just for a minute, huh?
Yep.
All right, let me go down here. I'll tell you guys where we are. So the picture I just took is off Merritt Hay Road and 331.
Two jackets on and two sweatpants.
And you're still cold?
Fine.
Is this enough snow for y'all?
I'm wearing one sweatpants. Told you to go put
The best days are the ones unplanned, the ones where spontaneity takes the wheel and the journey becomes the destination. It's in those unexpected moments where schedules are forgotten and curiosity leads the way that the most meaningful memories are made. Whether it's a detour down an unknown trail, a last-minute fishing trip, or a simple decision to follow where the day takes you, those are the times when life feels the most alive.